because it has to be not, it can't be a Roxio, Dazzle, Elgato, I hate those. Waste of money.
Elgato.
Elgato is the same price as a PVR. You need more RAM to operate it, and it takes up more space when you record.
You got an Insta.
I was about to buy it. Quick scope. Quick scope.
Ballistic knife. Get out of my way.
What do you get? I got a Cat 40. I don't really want it. That execution in 5 seconds. Let's go trick shot him. Little robot. There's one up there.
Found him.
He was like,
Yay, Lions Online.
Who's that?
Rabbi is awesome.
Black Ops 2 is the game. Pam is the name. Yeah.
Oh yeah, go on.
Running Man. This is what.
Getting a gun. Hopefully it's not another gay gun. Ballistic knife is good on this round because it's a 2-knife hit, but much prefer a gun with bullets, not knives. I'll take it. Guys, a knife is what? The knife went away. That's the gun. That's cool. Keep trying to repair that door. Or that window.
I know. I used to do that.
This one you can repair because you look.
I thought it was a good idea to keep our stuff organized. Whoever gets the most kills in zombie games has to upload it.
What do you mean?
And I'll, like,
Most kills or least kills?
most. Well, no, not most. At least, yeah. Less would make more sense.
So they have to upload. Wait, I think we both should upload though.
Well, no, because who would want to watch the same gameplay but just from a different
That's
perspective?
true. That's true.
All I'd have to do is send you over Skype the audio file, and then you just, or whoever, and then you put it in.
Yeah, I think it would work.
Oh crap! There's a couch right there. No, it's a zombie.
Love this gun, but I can't use it. SMR, oh yeah, come on.
Ah! What the? Ching Chang Chong.
Where's
thing.
Juggernaut? I forget. Oh, I looked right at it. Where is it?
Hey zombies, up here. Dead. Thank God. Need that. Dude, your score was 1080.
P.
Shut up.
Actually, it's 1080i. Thank you very much.
Or either. I'm sniping the zombies with my 5.7.
Yeah, baby.
Oh, what the?
How did
God
he
dang
get
it.
behind you?
He jumped up and then smacked me. Whatever. Break him, please. Chinkom again. Whatever it's called.
That's good. It's a 3-round burst gun, Sam. Pick it up. I love it.
Over a 5.7, which is like a point gun. I have 3 5.7.